Good night, good night, good night, good night, my people. Don't know the big day and night, my people. Yeah. And night, my people, I'm gonna mash up some cauliflower, good old yellow yam, and some green banana, my people. And as I say, yes, my people, in the night, my people. You don't know this all thing in the night, my people, is Alaska chunky mackerel. Yes, my people, so moving along to the stove. We have some water and I put a switch him on. See it, my people? Fire on it. Flour time, flour time. So this is how it look. You have your flour, you have your cornmeal. You have a half teaspoon of salt, my people. You need up some flour and dough in the night. People will call that one a galley. One name galley, you know, my people, cause I run a little galley in the night. Cornmeal flour. Alaska Jack mackerel. Get the paper. Put the pan on fire with the water in there. Yes, man. Put the Alaska Jack mackerel put on there. Good yellow yam and banana. Yes, my people. I was around 9 night, a galley. You don't know vibes it up kitchen, you know, my people, you understand? You don't know anything, go like, subscribe and share. You out here in the night, my people. Yeah. My people. Need up some flour. In a pot. I wanna eat the paper. Yes, people, this is how it must look when you need it, you understand? Smooth and nice. Ready to go in a pot. Sweet. We're rolling a tips of salt in our water, my people, just 2 shakes. 1, yeah. Make that go and boil up this one. Just to cover this one and one. Running to flour, my people. So I make my dumplings still, my people. Everybody make them dumplings different, you understand? But the way I me love make it, you know, my people, yeah? Yes, when you do like that, my people, we just deal like that one, you know? Woo! Water that gone on, my people. Yes, man. Yeah, in the night, man, we run a galley as this, people, you understand? Yeah, we call it a galley, you know? Small thing. Dumpling in the pot, them people, it's a boy. Hot cornmeal flour and Alaska mackerel. This little that same I cook Alaska mackerel and rice, my people. I cook dumpling and Alaska mackerel. Yeah, man, banana, my people. Understand? Yam time, you know, people. Yam time. Good old yellow, yeah. Good old yellow, yeah. People have to be careful with them things, I will scratch it to death. people, all them black things that must come off of here. You understand the people? I just slice them up the people. People so we can wash off them. Keep the paper. Rest them in our pot and go and cook. Yes, the paper, so yeah, I'm in our pot there. Meantime, that I go and doing things. Peel some banana on the paper. More green banana time. Yes, the paper, so all who don't know how to peel banana, you simply do like that. As I said, simple do like this. Line in your banana. I understand the paper, so I don't know anything but like, subscribe and share my paper. Yes people, so this is what you do with banana. I understand. People can skim off them little thing if you don't want to, you can let them to call. You don't know banana iron, you don't understand. You have to really take off everything off it. You want to take away the iron. Yes, some paper. Come on, I don't know my paper. They are on a girl in the night, hot flow and thing up here. Come on, the people, like, subscribe and share, I don't know things. Rinse off the banana them. Put them in a pot and also boil the paper. Banana. Pot on the paper. Rubber one fork. Rubber one fork, my people, and white tomato. I don't know anything. So rise up the pot cover and roll. See the paper. I got one tourist over here. Let's go. Rest of this one we're running some banana. Pot. So none of people vibes it up kitchen. Yes, the people vibes it up. Hot pot. Yeah, the vibes. Don't know anything on the paper. Paper, I clean up same time, you know, I put, you know. Hot water for my little store, you know. Good little brand new paper. I don't know. Food pot ready. I have hot. See that my paper? But I carry them down, so deal with them now, my people. So what you want to the people have to do like this. Open the muffin the people and take out these things out of it. You know, just throw muffin in a pot and chop up and eat the people. Be careful how you eat. You understand? Don't know, we have some seasoning. Some seasoning ready, my people. I don't know, we have sweet pepper, tomato, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, ginger, my people. I understand. Season up the garlic pot in the night, you know? Yes, my people, so. Don't know, we take out the milk and muffin, so. After that, now we're ready. Like that. Get the paper. Like that. And that's on the paper. Come on, I eat that one. I don't know my people. In the meantime, now, plate and all the whole of the people, so I have to get the next plate to throw out the sauce in it. Yes, my people, so I run back to the next plate. For the sauce. Nothing like my people, you see it? Sauce, look. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. I flash on and off because I watch the robot and I still see what I go on the tape. I don't know. So this is our next mackerel in the paper, so we'll do the same thing. Open the mackerel. Take out this. Now the top part. Fast enough my people, some all that dash it. So I don't know people are so things up, though. Can't think for us my people. Honestly. Now the meantime, I have to wash out what the first you know people. Now you have to and you have to put island on my people. Yes, my people, so as I say, we have ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, piece of thyme, some tomato, and some scallion, a little onion and people, some sweet pepper. Sweet my pepper. So we'll stir this my pepper. Yes, my people. You see, it's not going to do anything. Yes, my people. So I run in the mackerel paper. Yeah, man. Lobster jack mackerel, you know? Take the paper. I have some more sauce people I got soap on that. Only for sauce to more type of paper. Take my paper. I got to stir that number because we don't want to mash up. Nah. Yes, my people. Yes, my people, so that, you know. We're going to share some food. Before me that, I wipe out back my stove, my people. Yes, my people. I have this stuff in the night, you know. The blessing. Food can. Don't know people are strong slow. Girl, it done landing on my people. Girl, it done landing on my people. Take my pip. Short one. Nice with a hole in the night on the people. Galley. Galley all market ready my people. Yes, my people, I don't know. Tin mackerel and dumpling yam and banana. And lighter. Yes, my people. Yes, my people, so I don't know anything. I'm on a big done cook. And we eat some food in the night, my people. Understand? Yeah, man, we have a mackerel, my people. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. So I eat some food with a cold red stripe, my people, in the night. Yes, my people. Red stripe, like beer, my people. Well cool. Yes, my people. So I don't know anything on my people. Subscribe, like, and share my people. Yeah, blessing goes away. Blessing goes along with my people. Up.